wood cutting and harvesting, an essential industry requiring a delicate balance with environmental preservation. Technology not only enhances efficiency, but also serves as a vital tool for safeguarding forest ecosystems. With every step forward, we are committed to prioritizing sustainability and responsibility. Join us as we explore how technology can seamlessly harmonize with nature, paving the way for a more sustainable future. In timber mills, industrial saws play an essential role in processing raw materials. These powerful machines are designed to transform large logs into smaller, more manageable pieces, each suited for the next stage of production. The sharp blades, made from high-quality alloys, effortlessly cut through wood with precision down to the millimeter. The robust motors allow these machines to run continuously over long periods, meeting the high demands of production environments. Operating these saws requires not only advanced technology, but also the skill of the workers, who constantly monitor and adjust to ensure each cut meets the required standards. These saws are not just tools, but symbols of progress and efficiency, helping to optimize production processes, reduce waste, and improve the quality of products in the wood processing industry. When dealing with logs larger than the expected size, the task is far from simple. First, skilled workers must carefully measure and then lift these large logs onto the massive saw blades, ready for the cutting process. This is where technique and experience come into play. With the expertise of the craftsman, the large wooden planks are effortlessly and precisely cut with efficiency. Each cut is a perfect combination of the saw's power and the finesse of the worker's actions, ensuring the production of high-quality wood. Ready for the next steps in the processing journey. Imagine this. Before us stands a skilled craftsman holding a sharp planer, meticulously shaving and shaping each wooden piece to fit perfectly onto the ship's hull. Every movement is precise, reflecting years of experience in the art of shipbuilding. But crafting a sturdy ship capable of conquering the seas isn't a one-person task. It requires the seamless collaboration of an entire team of talented workers. A painstaking journey fueled by passion and mastery. When it comes to the art of shipbuilding, frame construction is one of the most critical steps, often referred to as the backbone of the ship. This process defines the entire structure, determining the strength, durability, and ability of the vessel to withstand the harsh conditions of the open sea. In this task, absolute precision is a non-negotiable requirement. Even the smallest deviation can impact the entire construction process and compromise the ship's safety. For this reason, only highly experienced craftsmen who understand every detail of the craft are entrusted with this responsibility. From here, each ship begins its journey with a solid foundation, embodying the skill and dedication of the shipbuilders. Aside from the powerful chainsaws used to harvest timber from deep forests, we also have sharp and precise saw blades for processing wood into useful products and materials. These tools are essential in creating high-quality finished products. Today I will take you on a journey to admire the timber that the lumberjacks have harvested, and we will explore the meticulous process of turning them into wonderful finished products. With today's modern technology, getting a large, perfectly flat wooden plank like this is no longer a difficult task. In the past, it might have taken a whole week to complete. But now, in the blink of an eye, the industrial saws work at lightning speed, turning this giant piece of wood into a smooth, flat surface. As smooth as a baby's skin. Just imagine, if we were doing it manually, we'd probably still be trying to soothe all those bumps. But now, all it takes is the press of a button, and it's done. Technology really does make life easier than ever. When it comes to building a ship's frame, yes, it's undeniably important. It's the strong backbone that keeps the ship steady against the waves. But hold on a second. Let's not underestimate the outer shell. That's the ship's face. The first thing that makes everyone go, wow, when they see it. If the frame is the inner strength, the outer shell is the outer charm. And you know what they say, first impressions matter. A ship that wants to stand out needs to be both sturdy and stunning, right? So frame or shell, who wins? The answer, teamwork. In the field of craftsmanship, carving beautiful shapes from natural materials such as wood, stone, or metal is always a task that requires meticulousness, patience, and high skill from experienced craftsmen. Every small detail, every curve on a piece reflects the dedication and craftsmanship of the artisan. Carving is not an easy job. It is a manual process that demands precision at every stage. Craftsmen use traditional tools, from chisels and hammers to abrasive tools, to create unique pieces that reflect beauty in every detail. However, with the development of modern technology, the art of carving has entered a new era. Specialized machines with precise control and high speed have helped artisans reduce time and improve accuracy in every line. These tools not only assist craftsmen in shaping, but also open up new creative possibilities, allowing for the creation of complex and intricate pieces that could previously only be done by hand. Cutting machines and automated carving tools help produce precise molds, ensuring that each piece is not only artistic, but also technically perfect. The combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology has resulted in outstanding works of art, opening up new opportunities for artisans to develop and perfect the craft of carving, while preserving and promoting the value of traditional art in today's industrialized world.